Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is how to add a lower third within your Blackmagic ATEM Mini Pro live stream. So what I have here, I've got my ATEM Mini Pros over there, my laptop's here, and I've got the ATEM software control. It's very important that you have this software loaded. So the first thing you're going to want to do is have a properly formatted lower third. Now I use PNG, which has a transparent background. So I've created this one right here. It's called Irix Guy Live Lower Third.png. So it's 1920 by 1080 size. So all that you want to do, you want to go into the tab down here that says Media. So go to your Media tab, and you can see currently I don't have anything selected. It is worth mentioning that after you power off your ATEM Mini Pro device, that all this media is probably going to disappear unless they update their firmware. So for that reason, I keep all my assets, my lower thirds and all that good stuff, I keep them in a folder. So I've always got them. So all you want to do is drag the asset that you want, drag it into slot number 1 or wherever. And then once you've dragged it there, now you can see over here, there it is. If you had multiples, you would need to drag the one that you wanted to use and drop it here. So it says Irix Guys Live Show. So I've got that. Now what I need to do is go back to where it says Switcher. And then when I'm back at Switcher, and I'm gonna go over here, you can see my studio monitor. So you can see me in the preview on the top left, and then in the right, that's the program. Program's what the viewers would be seeing. Of course, I'm not live right now, I'm just doing this tutorial. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here, and this is where it was a little bit confusing. See where it says DSK? One might think that DSK might refer to disk, you know, like a hard drive or something. And the reality is it doesn't. It stands for downstream keyer. So see, all I did is click on air. And once I click on air, now you can see I've got my lower third down here. It says Irix Guys Live Show. It's got that little satellite icon and my logo. But see, if I click on air again, that'll go away. Now if I click on air again, it comes back. Now if I'm using chroma key, which I'm not at this moment, this will work with chroma key. So I'm able to, you know, do my green screen background, chroma key background, whatever you want to call it, but still have my lower third. So again, just to recap, you need to create a lower third. I prefer PNG format. Make sure the file size is 1920 by 1080. And, you know, just put whatever you want to on your lower third. Export as a PNG.png. And then drag it in here, and then drag it over here. And then, you know, within your switcher, just do downstream key, or just, you know, do on air. I mean, it's pretty simple. It was hard to find at first, but once you found it, it probably makes you feel like a fool. So that's how to add a lower third to your ATEM Mini Pro live shows. If you have any other questions, just ask. I'm working to master this ATEM Mini Pro, so comment below and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.